I just came back home from going out with my parents. That's why I look a little crazy right now. And I know this isn't how I usually start my senior high school diary vlogs, because I just wanted to kwento something, and this time I wanted to talk more. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna do a sit down / voiceover kwento for this vlog about how busy we were during June to July. Okay, so first of all, June was like one of the most busiest months of 12th grade because it was when all the planning happened for our finals. So as an art and design student at DLSU, most of our finals are like performance based, but that doesn't necessarily mean that we don't have paperwork anymore. We still do, like, a lot to submit, like our practical research manuscript, case studies for philo and business plan, script writing for theater prod, and so much more. So like ayun, most of our outputs talaga are more on hands-on activities, either by class or by group. And that's why I've been really inactive and busy lately, because I took a lot of leadership roles then. So like, kasalanan ko talaga yon. Pinili ko. So ayun, because of that, parang my vlogging became pretty inconsistent also. And the clips you're seeing right now actually are the clips I took during those times, and I actually tried editing, kaso, So that's why I decided to do this na lang for the beginning of this vlog. And I was able to film quite a lot again naman during Animusica, so that's where this vlog will start and the rest goes on. Ayan lang. Hope you guys enjoy watching. Bye-bye! You have kulangot. Can you check? Wala na.
Sir, we have Little Hands, Big Dreams and Batang May Bukas.
Hi guys. Update. Sakit ng tulog. Work pa rin kami sa lab.
Hello. Goodbye.
Inspired by your advocacy to teach kids na pwede kong gamitin dito. At meron din pong...
Oh.
And then, you can do this. Look. You made it backward. You made it backwards.
No, Kyle, no!
Figure it out. Figure it out.
Weird, nabasa yung pantalon.
I look like I'm bald.
Si Senya!
Senya, basang sisi.
Shortcut. You ran through Henry like the open.
Okay.
The front lawn.
Oh my days. Oh goodness. Look at my hair.
No.
Okay, go.
Go. What in the world? My pants. My socks.
Yo.
Say hi to my vlog. Yeah.
Mga pogi, ayusin na natin to. Ayusin na natin.
One, two.
Sabi na gumagamit ng foil to eh.
Cute! Ang cute!
Sabihin ko. Ako pwede ba kumain? Nag-mukbang sa. I survived recitation. Complete it!
That's Kyla.
Suotin ko pa ba yun?
Kyla realizes. I guess you are kind of smart.
What in the world?
Naka-long sleeve ako sa loob, kaya may collar siya dito.
Gusto ko yung nakalaylay lang yung uniform.
May ano.
Lagay mo dito. Hindi. Lagay.
Yeah, dito. Okay na yun, okay na.
Hindi, lagay mo ano nakagayon.
In the zipper.
I don't care.
Hindi ako yung sa neck. Kaya ako mabantay. Pupantay sa neck. Oo, pantay mo siya sa neck mo eh. Okay naman.
Pantay naman. Nakakainis si Shadron. Bagay yan dun sa gray ring na suot.
No.
So bar matching kayo.
No.
Magkakalikod ni Mary. Isn't that just you?
Mukha siyang ano, Christmas.
Hindi naman ako pulang buhok.
Diba nang gloss?
Why are you so fat, bro?
Pag ako may allergies pa isa. Bro, ang kapal na yun.
Mary, which one do you want?
What did I do to you?
Marasan ganun.
Sige, ano gano'n? Hindi ka gano'n.
Ganun ka. Hindi inaayos yung bugo.
What in the world? Ba't ang stiff mo?
Wala akong smoothness ni Kari.
Do you remember anything else?
Hindi siyang maalala. Ano mo kami siya?
You like,
I'm gonna go home na kasi baka malate pa sila dun. So, yeah. I
have some stuff to do pa.
I forgot my umbrella. I need to go back up. Payong ko. Mary, iwan ko ba yung stockings? Kailangan ko ba? The stockings. The brown. Iwan ko na lang here. Okay. Bye, guys. Oh. Tingin dito.
Nag-aaway sila ni Richie.
What? Nag-aaway sila ni Richie.
Ay, nako.
Ay, nako. Hi, Richie!
Kasi siguro nun.
No way.
Malay mo.
Di nga.
Let's do it. Let's go straight to the point. Type of two times.
Binuksan mo lang lahat ng zipper mo.
Alam mo ang pangalan ng aso? Kender Juicy na to.
Hello.
Hindi nyo ako grupo na ano ako.
Oh my God. Saan aking cellphone?
You might forget this.
Ganyan si Lu. Napakabait mo, Lu. Parang nga ako cellphone, Lu. Balik ko next.
Balik ko next year!
Ay, dali. I-check mo na.
Na-check na niya eh.
Ano yan?
Baka may unboxing, shooter.
Magkano
Dali
yan,
mo kami ni
Yuwa?
Marion Himino.
Magkano yan?
On cloud?
9850.
Oh my God!
It's for my mom.
Oh. Para kay Tita Choppy.
Wala rin, guys. Charot Choppy.
Nag-pitch in ba kayong mga
Mamayabang lang natin to kay Choppy. Picture natin.
Okay.
Money talks! Bukas na mag-group na.
Ang pangit!